Okay, you guys, so the slate in the front is finished. It took 3 weekends, actually, honestly, starting with Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sean has to work on Sunday, but last night we finished the last corner when he got home from work. So since all of the slate is finished, the next thing that we're going to do is the steps that are going up to the front door. We'll get started on that this weekend. And then once we get that all set up, then we'll put the siding on the side of the house. So this is the color of the siding. I don't know if you could really tell what color it is. It's like a cocoa brown color. I think it's going to look really, really nice. But that will be the color of the siding. So everything else that's on the house now, that is the green board, and that's all the way around, is going to be siding. Of course, we have this amazing slate all along the front. And then we also put in the top lights. Yeah, you could see those. Those lights at night look so nice, shining down on the slate. But I just wanted to let you know where we are right now. And until the next video, see ya!